Hi friend, welcome to the Live Studies channel. Today I am going to discuss JPA repository. So let's start. First question is, what is JPA? JPA is standard for the Java Persistence API. It is a Java specification used to persist data between the relational database and Java object. It is act as a bridge between object-oriented program, domain model, and relational data. Means interact with database from application is very common. JPA was created as a standardizer. This interaction. There may be popular JPA implementation available in the Java world like Hibernate. Look this one. Okay. Suppose, for example, okay, first is the JPA, this one, right? You can connect through the JPA in a Hibernate, in a Spring Boot project, MVC, okay, Spring MVC. Also you can connect depend upon the created. Also native SQL connect to the direct JPA and transfer data object means a DAO, means object DAO, yeah, JPA repository, this one. Okay, this one. Move to the another question. Another question is, what are some advantages of using JPA? There are some advantages of JPA persistence API or JPA. JPA reduce the burden of interacting with database annotation. In JPA reduce the cost of creating definition file, right? It is user friendly. JPA provider help merge applications. Another question is, what is the Spring Data Repository? Spring Data Repository is a very important feature of JPA. It helps in reducing the lot of boilerplate code. Moreover, it decreases the chance of error significantly. This is also the key abstraction that is provided using the repository interface. It takes the domain class to manage as well as the ID type of domain class as type of argument. Another question is, what is some naming conversion for finder method in the Spring Data Repository interface? This annotation key feature of Spring Data JPA API, which make writing query method really use the finder method, should be a special keyword like find allowed by the name of the variable. For example, what is it? For example, find by last name, find by name. Okay. Another question is, what is an interface not a class? Means interface is not a class because it does not contain concrete methods. It contains only abstract method. Look, means create only abstract method. Suppose this is my package in Java 64bit.entity. Just create the interface like login JPA repository. You can extend JPA repository. Pass the argument, choose login and long, depend upon project. Move to the another question. Another question is, can we perform actual tasks like access, persist and manage data with JPA? Answer is no. We can't, because JPA is only a Java specification, right? That's why. Another question is, how can we create a custom repository in Spring Data JPA? The answer is yes. How? To create a custom repository, we had to extend it to many of following interfaces like repository, tagging and sorting repository, CRUD repository, JPA repository, query by example repository. Discuss means repository. Top level interface defined in a Spring Data hierarchy. This is a marker interface for either does not contain any method, right? CRUD repository. The CRUD repository interface extend repository interface provide method to perform CRUD operation. CRUD means create, read, update and delete. Tagging and sorting repository means tagging and sorting repository interface extend CRUD repository interface and provide additional method to retrieve entities using the pagination and sorting method. JPA repository means JPA repository interface extend tagging and sorting repository and query by example executor interface provide some additional batch method. Query by example repository interface used to execute the query by example. There are some another point we can discuss. Just another point. I tell you, simple JPA repository. मतलब simple JPA repository, it is the implementation class of CRUD repository interface. Okay. Move to the another question. Another question is, what is tagging and sorting repository? Tagging and sorting repositories provide a method that are used to retrieve entities using the tagging and sorting extend the CRUD repository interface. What is at the rate query used for? Spring Data API provide many ways to define SQL query which can be executed and query annotation one of them. The query is an annotation that is used to execute both JPSQL and native SQL query. Another question is, give an example of using @query annotation with JPSQL. Here is an example of @query annotation from JPA application which return all the order from the database. Means first the select query select order from data orders where o dot disable is equal to 0 means you can disable, and just collect means user find all active orders. And here is another example which return matching employee from the database. @query select from employee where employee dot name is equal to 1, then list you can provide this one. Okay. Another question is, can you name the different type of entity mapping? one to one mapping, one to many mapping, many to one mapping, and many to many mapping. Move to the another question. Another question is define entity and name the different properties of any entity. An entity is a group of state builded are associated together in a single unit. It behave like an object. It also become a major constituent of the object-oriented paradigm. Another question is what is platform transaction manager? The platform transaction manager is an interface that extends transaction manager. It is the central interface in a Spring transaction infrastructure. Another question is how can we enable Spring Data JPA features? To enable Spring Data JPA feature, first we have to define a configuration class, and then we can use @enable JPA repositories annotation. With it, this annotation will be enable the feature. Another question is differentiate between find by ID and get once method. The find by ID is available in a CRUD repository, while get one method is available in JPA repository. The find by ID return null if record does not exist, while the get one method will throw an exception called entity not found exception. And here are some Spring Data JPA practical question for you. I have not provided the question, but you can find them by doing some research. We can post the correct answer to the Spring Data JPA question in comment. Will we pick up the right question for this one? Another question is what are the important method of CRUD repository to perform CRUD operation in a Spring Data JPA? The CRUD repository contain below the several methods like a save method, save all method, find by ID, exist by ID, find by all by ID, count entities, delete by ID, delete iterable, and delete all. Another question is how to enable Spring Data JPA features. First we need to define some configuration class. Let's say JPA configuration.java file, and then we need to use @enable JPA repositories annotation with the class. Also provide base package value where we have our repository. Okay, for example, see, so create the package.com networks.configuration. okay, second one is the import the annotation configuration file, then import the JPA repository package @configuration @enable JPA, just I told you. okay, base package configuration, then class. okay, you can create. Another question is how to define query method for the nested properties. Consider we have two entities, student.java and address.java. Student and address entity are not one-to-one relationship, and we want to fetch all students from the database. We belong to cities, suppose Pune. Then you can create a student class. In a student class, in a package, you can enable @entity class student, @id, generated value into means strategy is equal to generated id type auto. Okay, in a private init id, column name. Okay, then spring name, column name is spring name, roll number. Okay, column you can write suppose this type. Okay, means create column is equal to name is equal to inverted comma name, just like this. Then another point is university case code name, just create. In a query method to fetch all students who belong to the city Pune using the Spring Data JPA. Okay, just like this, create the address class. In address class, you can create the package, entities, then create a class address, id, generated value means strategy is equal to generated type auto, id, column. Okay, like this one. Then last, so you can the list is equal to student and find by address city, string is equal to city, just like this. Okay, another question is write jpql using query annotation in a spring data JPA. Write jpql using Spring Data JPA @query, just like this. Means @query, select from the student where s.name is equal to okay 1, and then list is equal to student, get student string name, just like that. Another question is difference between CRUD repository and JPA repository in a Spring Data JPA. CRUD repository means CRUD repository extend repository interface, but JPA repository extend tagging and sorting repository and query by example executor interface. CRUD repository provide methods to perform CRUD operation, but JPA repository provide additional method like flush method, save and flush method, delete in patch method. The save all iterable entities method of CRUD repository return the iterable, but the save all iterable entities method of JPA repository return the list. If we have to perform many CRUD operation, define our repository using CRUD method. If we have to perform CRUD as well as batch operation, define our repository extending the repository. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video and share in friend. Thank you so much.